Hello everyone, welcome back. How's your day been so far? I hope everything is okay and you're ready to jump into KiCAD with me and mess up everything what we have done so far. Today the plan is to do the PCB to make it reversible. I was looking at it yesterday as I promised. I think everything should be okay in terms of our previous stream and wiring. So I guess that part is done correctly. I was thinking like what could be the problem when we start adding elements to the other side, and I think one thing that occurred to me like right off the bat is that we can't really add one more encoder. Maybe you can try, maybe you can see what happens, because we already have one footprint for the encoder over here. And I think that is enough. We don't really need to add one more, even more so that it won't be really used because encoder won't be touching the PCB anyway. And I've only added because I wanted to check if my PCB footprint is it like viable? Would it work if I had a encoder that would be actually mounted inside the PCB? So this is the only reason why this thing is here, and that was a good choice because I already did some changes yesterday. Yesterday we had to change the layout of those pads because when we are pouring the fill zone, it wasn't really touching all of the pads, so we had to kind of move them around a little. And also off stream, what I did, I rotate this thing because I didn't notice that it was rotated like by 90 degrees, so it was like left and right, which doesn't really make sense. We need it to be like this. I also had to change the footprint as well. Yeah, but I think this will be okay right now. So the plan for today. Is to add all the stuff that will go on the other side of the PCB. So basically the same amount of pads. I won't be doing through-hole pads because this might backfire because when we will be soldering, the solder might actually bubble on the bottom side, and then it would be difficult to clean it up because the other side will be actually facing, well, it should be bottom of the PCB either way. So maybe it won't be that difficult to clean it, but it's still a little bit of hassle. We will have to tape it or something like that. I think it will be cleaner if we just do it like we have the front side, just pads, and we can wire it. Shouldn't be that bad. But before we jump into that, I would like to take a moment, and I think we need to change those pads because they're a little bit too big, because we need them a little bit smaller, like this more or less, and we need 3 of them to fit in. Right now it's a little bit too tight for the third one. Maybe it will work. Okay, let's take a look. Maybe we won't have to change them. Maybe I can just arrange them a little. If I move this one a little bit here, it's not really working. So I think we'll have to change. We have to change this. I'm looking at the schematic, so yeah. Let's take a look. So these are these two over here. And let's see, do we have a footprint over here, or what is this thing actually? How about this one? Yeah, we have a footprint, so we need to change this because we have 2 millimeters by 2 millimeters. We need something smaller. What can we use? I wish there was like 1 by 2 or something like that. What do we have? This one, round one doesn't really. Okay, these are all too big. Plated hole. These are true holes, so not really what we are looking for. So I think we'll have to settle for these. Or maybe we can change it. We can maybe we can do our own path and not worry about it that much. Let's take a look. Let's say, okay, what will happen if I make like a rectangle? Let's do. Okay, let's change this to corner by size. Okay, so let's make this one maybe 1.5 and maybe 2.5. Okay, yeah, I think maybe we can make it even longer. Let's make it maybe 3.5. Keep forgetting. Oh yeah, this one should be maybe better. Okay, one more thing. We can make it fill shape. Okay, and then we have this. Which layer? If I put it on. Okay, not seal screen. It should be F. Should it be a mask? No, most probably not. What is this one? What is this? Okay, we have a net. Okay, I can't see. Okay, this one is like an edge cut. I'm trying to figure out. I can't see anything. If there is a specific layer, okay, it says all layers. Okay, so this one is definitely, it's not gonna be mask, so maybe something else. Say screen, easy. Okay, we can make a net for it. Oh, I think it's gonna be this one. Potentiometer out, 1, pad 1. Okay, so okay. Let's see 3D view. Okay. Still not there. Let's take a look. What are these? Copper layers. Okay, so this is a mask. Alrighty, so if I change this to mask, so it should be F mask. Yes, I think it was correct the first time. Let's see on 3D view, what does it say? Oh yeah. Well, it's not quite, it's not that nice, but I think we can fix it maybe. Okay, but the issue is now that we don't really have a net on it. Or yeah, it would seem so. There is no net. Okay, I think I know. Maybe if I do it like this. Graphics. There was this setting just a second before and now it's gone. These are some basic properties. Let's see if we have some more stuff. Okay, there's no net over here. This one is not active. Okay, let's see. Okay, we haven't changed anything here. Okay, this size, dimensions. How do I get it back? Still so fresh with KiCAD. I don't think I'll ever learn this thing. Okay, lock, it doesn't really change anything. Let's see. Okay, if I change it to this, then I can choose, then I can have a mask. Okay, let's see. How does it look like? Okay, it's not visible here. If I change it to mask, then I have nothing. If I do like a solder mask, maybe this will change something. Okay, let's go back. That one was potentiometer out 1. Let's see. Oh yeah, it showed up finally. Okay, so I think we're getting somewhere with this. Okay, so I think I can remove this one and use this instead. Then we can just copy paste, and then we will use one more on the bottom side. That should do the trick. Makes me wonder if it's gonna restore all of this. Okay, let's okay, let's do the track as well. I hope it will be possible to manufacture this, whatever it is. Okay. Copy and paste. Let's drop this one here. Okay, so this one goes on the bottom side, and this one will be a different net. Potentiometer in pod 1. Okay, let's remove this one. More or less in the center. Let's drop one more. Yeah, I think it looks better. Not quite symmetric, I'm afraid. Oh, maybe like this. I hope these are long enough for the legs. We'll find out once we have it done. Okay, wrong level. Do we have something more? Oh yeah, it's a bit of a track sticking out. It sucks a little that I can't see what net it is. Okay, but once I click I can see that's this one and that's this one, so should be good. Luckily, even if we mess it up a little, we can still do something with wires, so it should be good. Alright, so this thing is done. Let's admire our creation over here. We haven't run the RC check yet. Okay, and that's the bottom. Let's see if DRC has any issues. Okay, we have an error. Okay, what's that? Ah, yeah, right. Okay, so this one we have to remove. There is no net for now. Like this. Okay, now it was fine. Can we make it a little bit nicer? And do something like a... can we make like a nice outline for it so it looks like other pads? So this will be bottom seal screen. Let's drop one here and one right here, but this one will be top seal screen or front seal screen. Okay, let's take a look. 3D. Okay, looks pro. Looks like a real pad, like it was here all the time. Okay, going back to our schematic. So we have one more I2C expander add already. We need to change those names so we can tell which side is what. So this one is left, this one is also left. And Twitch still not showing if I'm live or not. Okay, looks like I'm live on Twitch as well. Cool. And this one is also left. Alright. Yeah, I also checked. So on the right side, address lines, they all go to VCC. So we need to have... okay, we need to set up nets for this. For data, clock, and interrupt. And these will also have to be pulled up, just like on the left side. These nets are already done. We done it yesterday, and I also checked like 3 times if it's correct. Should be okay. Still, I don't have really that much confidence that it's okay, but should be good. But the biggest issue is that if we messed up either of these, then it will be very difficult. Actually, it will be impossible to do anything about it because I don't really have I don't have paths for that. Like somewhere close where I can just swap them. So the only way, there will be two possibilities: either redesign the PCB or try to fix it in firmware somehow. But okay, let's not do any like doom visions. Let's just do what needs to be done, and if it doesn't work, then we're gonna worry about it later. Okay, so what do we have? So this one will be... Okay, so this one will be like resistor, right? So because it's a pull-up. A resistor pull-up, so I think that's how I called it. SDA. And this one will be right. So just like this one. Right. Okay, this one will be SCL and right as well. Okay, SDA, SCL, and we have one more. This one is for the interrupt. Needs to be pulled up as well, and also right. Okay, let's add it. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Is it even aligned? Like this. And one down. Okay, so we have SDA, right? Okay, let's connect this one and this one. And this one, all right. Okay, I've made a mistake over here. Why is it G? Should be P. Okay, this is P. Okay. Okay, so we have pull-ups over here. Address is done. Ground. We have a filtering capacitor. These are done already. Okay, so I think I will have to copy this one. And what else do we have? On the right side, we have only one encoder, which will be this one without the switch. I think we can reuse, I mean, okay, we can do it like both ways. We can either copy this one or just use paths like over here. I think this one would be maybe better choice. What's that? What is this stuff showing up right now? Let's do a check. No errors. There were some like odd lines that I haven't seen before. Okay, so we need to move all of the keys. The thing is that this time around we will have a little bit more, because over here we had only B7, B6, and then we had this fella. Okay, B5 is our infrared, so this one is somewhere over here. This one is the infrared, so we have to copy this one as well. Okay, so much copying. There's a huge possibility something will be messed up. All right. So all I need to do, I think, is just to change the names from L to R. So that is our right side. We don't really have to worry much about it because the connection is over here. Hopefully, that's the only thing that I need to worry about right now. Okay, so we have these, and maybe we should get some more because this is our volume, which we don't have on the right side. So we just gonna drop it onto normal pads. So we'll have those pads somewhere, most probably in the same spot, just in case we want to attach something else, some maybe extra keys or something like that. Should work okay. Okay, so let's copy and let's paste. But this one we need to change. So okay, we will have 7, 6, 5. Okay, let's change this one. So this one is B because it's a bank B. So we are working on this right now. This one is set up already. Looking at it, we have 6 and 7 is not really used. I mean, let's take a look. Okay, I messed up something over here. This shouldn't be here. 4, 5. This should be B7 and B6, if I am correct. I've been looking at it for so long and still missed something. Okay, this one was supposed to be B7, and this one was supposed to be B6. I think I need to double check. Okay, we have to reopen stuff. Where is it? Open device, and that one was, I think, this one. Alrighty, so this is our right side. Okay, let me take a look. So on the right side, B7 and B6 is actually not used anywhere. So we start with A7, A6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. One more look. So okay, A7 is where A0, A6, A1, A2, A5, A4, A2, One is A3, so goes to A4 on the right. So then we have A3, which goes I see I've messed up something over here. I was changing it and I still messed up. So again, all over again. So okay, A0, A7, that is correct. A1, A6, A5, A2. Then this one should be A3, from what I reckon. Oh no. A3 over here, A4. Then A4. You're right. Okay. So on the left side, A4 and A5 is not used. But on the right side, I am using that. So it's A5, A4. Then we have Yesterday it looked so good, and today it's completely confusing. Okay, A7, A6, A5, A4, 7, 6, 5, 4. Then it should be A3, 2, 1, and A0. Okay, so I think I know what is messed up. So 7, 6, 5, 4, and this one should be A3. Should be A2. A1 and A0. Okay, now I think it's correct. So A7 on the left side. Where is it? Yeah, so over here A7 is here. Okay. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Okay, so this one is correct. A0 to A7. Then we have A1 to A6, A2 to A5, A3 to A4. Okay, that is still okay. A3 to A4. Then the next one. Okay, we skip these two. A4 and A5. And now I can't remember how was it connected on Chordie. Because if I skip it like that, so we have A4 and A3, then we have what? A5. Okay, 4 and 5 is not really connected anywhere. One more, there was one more stuff. Maybe the other diagram will help a little bit more. I think that one was in Google Docs. So we have this mapping over here. Okay, so where are we? This is right side. Okay, so B0, B1 and B2 unconnected. Then we have B3 and B4, we have our encoder. So just like over here, B3 and B4, so that is horizontal encoder. Then we have B5 is our infrared, right? B5 is infrared, and then we have B6 and B7 is unconnected over here. Okay, so that is one, and then when we look at it further, so what do we have? Then we have bank A on the right side. So we have A0, A1, A2. So I think it's A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it should be straightforward. So it's like it's almost like in reverse in a way, because later on the left side it's a little bit messed up because the bank B is kind of normal. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but then we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's the same, but we have keys swapped somehow. Yes, I think it should be okay right now. So bank B, looking from the lowest bit, so we have 0, 1 and 2. It's not connected because this one was for volume. Yes, that one was for volume and the switch from the volume. So 0 was the switch and B1 and B2 was the volume up and down. Then we have B3 and B4, so that is our encoder. Then we have B5, which is infrared, so it's the same. And then B6 and B7 we have unused. Okay, and then okay, so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, this one is straightforward actually. I don't know why I am dwelling on it for so long. Yeah, should be okay. So this is bank A. This one we need to change to B. Okay, this one is B already. Okay, so these are for bank A, and these are for bank B, B0, B1, B2. Alright, so just like on the other side, on the left side, so B6 and B7, we can keep it. But I think these are not connected on this side. Actually, even more, B7, B6, B5 is our infrared. Okay, so we have to remove this one. So there will be, actually I have to remove more, B5, B4 and B3, because this will be our infrared and encoder. So we will have we'll have paths somewhere else for that. And then we are left with B2, B1 and B0. So this one we can leave it like that, because these are the paths that we can reuse on the right side. They have never been used before because yeah, these are meant for the volume. I mean, on the left side I've used them for the volume, but on the right side we had no button, nothing connect to it. So I think we can keep them like that, and then maybe we can in the future, I mean, we're gonna drop a path for all of these, and then maybe if we decide to attach something else, we can use those. Okay, does it look okay? I think it does. Okay, as I said, we won't be using this footprint. So what we need to do, we should copy. Maybe we can copy this one and just paste here. Or maybe over here would be better. So that will be like a We will know that is for the horizontal encoder. Okay, we won't be needing this because we don't have a switch on the horizontal one. So this one will be right, B3. This one will be right, B4. Oh, okay, what's that? So we have to name it somehow. Okay, so let's call it, let's make it right. Horizontal encoder, let's make it B4. This one will be right, horizontal encoder B3. And this one will be right, horizontal encoder, and okay, let's call it common. Right, I forgot it needs, okay, let's make it 1. Otherwise we have an arrow that is not annotated, so we need to have a number at the end of everything. Okay, so does it make sense? Let's take a look. So yeah, our net goes from here, so we have B3 and B4. These are like the same like on the left side. So this one is meant for the horizontal encoder. And this one goes into the pad that is called horizontal encoder B4, horizontal encoder B3. And then we have a ground as well that goes with it. Okay, that is alright. What are these? Okay, these are our ground pins. Okay. These are our ground pins for... This one is not on PCB yet. Let's take a look. And this one, where is it? Okay, this ground. I think I will change name to COM, so we know that it's common. It's kind of confusing. If it's C, then kind of brain starts thinking that it's a bank C maybe instead of a bank A and B. So if we drop a COM, so then we know it's a common pin from the encoder. Alrighty, so I think all of this we can safely copy and paste. I think I copied that. But we have to change names. So this one will be right. This one will be right as well. And this one. Oh, it looks like this one managed to get away. So this one will be L. And this one will be R, R1. And this one will be R, R8, okay. This we can leave it like that, so we will know this is our ground for the infrared. This one will be RB5. So this net. So this one goes to the I2C expander. That will be the output from infrared. Okay, for this the name doesn't really matter that much if it's left or right, because we won't be seeing them anyway. This is only ground, so I think that is fine. What we need to change, we need to change this one. This one will be DPR, so that will be right. Can I make it 1? Let's make it 1 and right. Okay. So, and we have this as well. So we change the names to _right. Okay, I forgot to change the names over here, it would seem. So that one is right, left, I mean. This one is left as well. And this one. Okay, so we have a distinction. Okay, left goes here, and right goes here. I'm gonna change it, even though it's not visible. Okay, so if we have right, then we have right everywhere. Okay, so how does it look like? So far so good. So we have all of these from A0 to A7, A0, A1, A2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope it's connect correctly. Then we have pull-ups with _right. And we have these over here. And it's all 10K to volt to VCC, and then we have this one for the diode, so it's a limiting resistor, and then it goes inside the potentiometer, for which we have a hole. Okay, what else? What else? Okay, so these switches are okay. These are not used, and these are not used as well. But they were used on the B6, B7. I think it was used, yeah, it was used on the right side, but it's not being used on the left. Makes me wonder if this is really correctly. If we take a look over here, so we have A7 to A7 actually. Shit. It's just a matter of what key is where. I think we have to flip it over. I think it has to go in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it will be only a matter which key is where. So for example, over here we will have A7 from the right side. Then this one will be, yeah, so A7, A6, A5, A4, and so forth. And then the rest. Although I'm not quite sure. I wasn't expecting it to give me so much trouble. This one is 6 and 7. Yeah, I think we don't have to swap these because actually the positioning of the key is what matters the most. So those paths that will be positioning over here. So this one will go over here. And next one will go here to this stamp key and so forth, so forth. Okay, one final check before I update the PCB and mess up everything. So these are all renamed to right side. This is right side B5. This will be collector. Okay, so that is more or less fine. Then we have a resistor for the infrared diode over here and into the potentiometer on the right. So this is right everywhere. And then we have pull-ups. All of them are right. And those net masks are, I mean, those nets are also right. Underscore right, right, right. So they should attach to this. Those two grounds is for our infrared. And then we have keys. So from A0 to A7 we will be using all of them. Okay, B0 and to B2 will be unused, so we can drop them somewhere on the PCB. Then we have an encoder, so encoder is over here, so that will be before B3 and B4. Okay, B3 and B4 and a common pin which will be ground. Before then we have 5 that is over here. This one goes to this is the output from the collector, so from the sensor actually. So this goes directly to I2C expander. Yep, that is correct. And then we have 6 and 7, which is B7, B6 is also not used. So we will have like 5 pins loose just for us to play with. That's a bit much, but okay. All right, let's save this. How can I update? There are some rules to check. Okay. Oh, there is an error. Something is power output. Ah, yeah, right. Okay. I copied together with the flag. So let's remove this one. Do we have any more flags that I copied and forgot? No. Okay, one more check. Which one was it? This one. Anything? Okay, seems fine. Okay, so let's jump to our PCB and see what happens if I update. Maybe let's save it before. Okay, it didn't mess up that much. Actually, it's quite okay. What we need to do, all of that, we have to change layer to the bottom. Okay, so it's not that bad. So far, at least. I think it will get worse when we finally order this thing. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's try to align this thing. Let's position like this. So from here, I want it to be positioned to here, and I want it to be 0, 0. Okay, we can leave it there for now. We see how it goes when we start moving all of the paths. Let's do it like this. Let's do footprints. Oh, yeah, right. This is our potentiometer. So let's drop it somewhere close, and then we can erase it. What else do we have here? This one as well. I'm gonna keep them over here for now. Here we have a capacitor, so we can drop it somewhere close. Those resistors, we can keep them here for now, so not to mess up. What is that? Okay, potentiometer. Okay, so I think it brought back. Okay, so these two, these are from the left side, so we have them already. So I think we can say goodbye to those fellas. These two we will substitute later. We actually have everything done. Yeah, but makes me wonder, can I have it like that? Okay, I'm gonna worry about it later. Not important right now. Let's select all of that. Maybe we can do it like this. So last time I was complaining that it's not possible to remove the text, but now I'm a professional, so I think if I do it like this, if I select just text, and now I can click visibility or visible, and now it's gone. Okay. So we do learn something. maybe somewhere close. Let's have them over here. All right, so what do we have? Let's hunt for A7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is here. So we know that A7 should go over here. Okay, can I remove the top? Would be nice if there was like one click to hide everything that is on top. So like, I don't know if this matters, but like paste and top C screen. Yeah. Okay, so maybe for now it will be okay. Okay, so we have A7, then we have A6. Yeah, so I think now it's correct. So we don't really have to worry that much about this thing. So we just leave it as it is, so from A0 to A7. But then what matters is, for example, this net, we have to place it. We have to place this over here, I guess. Okay, so A7 goes here. Can we get a ground for it as well? Let's do only footprints. Then we have A6. One sec, let me check something. Okay, turns out I got a parcel. Quietly. Okay, so what we did, A7. Oh boy, where is A6 in this mess? Should be somewhere close. Okay, it's here. Can I grab like 2 of these? Okay, maybe let's do it like fast for now. A6 and ground. Then we have A5 and ground. So let's drop it over here. Then we have A4 and ground, which goes here. Yeah, now when I look at it, I think it might have been better to just have the same keys everywhere. And now it's kind of messed up. Doesn't matter. A4 and the ground, so that is over here. Then we need to find A3 and ground, and this goes up here. A2 and ground goes here. Something is off. Okay, I am a bit too far. This is A3. I kind of got misled that there are so many things here. I thought it's an encoder, but no, it's not. So this will be A3, this will be A2, and A1 goes here, and then we need to find A0 and ground. So this stuff over here. Okay, not so bad. Then let's fish out B3 and B4. And I think we need one ground. Okay, Okay, so I think we can move it to here for now. What else do we have? Okay, so this is, yeah, right, RB5. So I think it's the same name as over here. Okay, TPL call. Okay. So this one goes, this one will be here, that's our collector. And I think this one is our anode, yes. Maybe I should have left the names, but we are getting there. Alright, what else do we have? Okay, B7, B6 and B2. Okay, B0, B1. Okay, is this even connect anywhere? B0, B1, B2 and B6, B7. Okay, so these are free roaming. So we should drop them somewhere, maybe. Oh, maybe somewhere over here, because or maybe somewhere outside, so they don't really interfere for now, at least. And what do we have left? So many grounds. Okay, some of them will be needed, so we need 5. 5 will go here because they are kind of attached to this. And we have 2 more. Oh, you're right. Okay, these grounds, do we need them really? Okay. Okay, what we can do next, we can fix those in place. So A6 goes here. A7, A6, then we have A5. Okay, over here is A4. And over here we have A3. Okay. Maybe we should think about those. Maybe we should put some of them over here. Does it make sense to have these here? Or should we keep them close to the expander over here? Okay, something to the side. This one is A2, that is correct. This one is ground. A1, A0, and okay, not this, and ground. Okay, over here, this one goes to the collector, so this should be here, and the diode on the bottom. Then we have these two. All right. So far, so good. Oh, we have so many inputs, kind of loose. Let's take a look. How many did we have? 7. Okay, that one was on the left side. We had only 2, A5 and A4. Where did I put them? I think I left them over here. Okay, this one was for B0, B1. You're right. So, but technically we can drop them here as well. B1, B2, and B0. B2, B1, and B0. So B0 was here, B2 and B1. But over here, I think we might be needing one more ground, because B1 and B2, these were for encoder, if I'm correct. Yes. So then we had one ground for 2 of them, and now we need one more probably, just in case you would like to connect something that is not an encoder. I'm gonna drop this one on here. One more ground maybe over here. Is this the same? Okay, now they are kind of aligned. What do we have over here? Okay, one more ground. Okay. Okay, so I think that is enough. We have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 grounds. Okay, so that should do it, because before we only needed 3 grounds. This one, because this part was the switch, and this one was common ground for the encoder, and this ground was for the MX key or whatever key we will have over here. So then we need one more, just in case if you would like to connect like each input separately. So we need one ground for this one ground for this one, so this one for this, yeah, and these together. So that should be okay. So we have these two free roaming over here, so I think I can drop them just like I had those. We have a ground here as well. Might be not enough. Oh no, it's plenty actually. So let's drop this ground here. Why is it sticking? Okay, something like this. Alright, looks more or less okay. Well, I think I have shot myself in the foot with these wires, so I won't be able to put those over here. But well, technically we can always move these to the left, so it will be something like this. Maybe we can move this a bit higher up, and then I will be able to put the same resistors and kind of do the same layout on the bottom. Yeah, making PCB reversible is kind of difficult. Maybe I have a wrong approach to this. Why do we have so many ground pins? This one is unused and kind of lonely. Okay, let's take a look. So this is our I2C expander. And how it should be wired. So A7 would be here. So that would be kind of okay. Oh, maybe not so much, but yeah, I think we should leave it on this side, because like, even though it's not, we're still gonna have to cross the tracks, but A7 is here on the bottom and we have to go to here. Then we have A6 is next one, then A4, A5, A4, and like stuff from here. So that would be kind of okay to route this way, I suppose. What else do we have? Okay, A3. Yeah, then with the B side we'll have to go to the other side. Okay, B0 is here. B3, B4. Okay, so I think we should be able to deal with it somehow. Only thing I don't like is that it has its name. Don't want that. Remove this one as well. Okay. So what should we do next? I think we should take care of this part where we have all the resistors and stuff. We have to move those tracks. Okay, but let's take a look. Where is actually located all? Okay, it's over here. SDSL. Okay, so it would be, I think it, oh no, it's the wrong one. Which one I'm looking at right now? This one. Yeah, let's hide the top. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter. We can still route it. Yeah, there are no vias over here, so I think we should be able to route it like this. We have SDA, so we can go down SCL. Okay, 5 volts, 5 volts. Why is this one 5 volts? 21. Okay, these are the all right. Oh, that's kind of odd because yeah, we have one address pin on the left side that needs to go to 5 volts, and then the rest is on this side. It would be better if they were like close together, easier to route. Okay, so I think I won't be rotating it. I think it's facing okay. So we have bank A on this side, bank B on this side. So let's clean up this mess over here. Okay, let's jump to the tracks. Okay. And this one goes away. Okay, we have to route it somehow different, but maybe before we do something about it, let's just do it like this. Okay, first I need to do text, and I need to get rid of this stuff. Can I hide it? Yes, I can hide it. All right. So what do we have here? Looking at the bottom. Okay, SDA, SCL, B5. Okay, and this one will be on the other side. Let's take a look. Where is our pull-up for the interrupt? What is this? Okay, it's here, hiding. Doesn't want to be placed anywhere. Let's rotate it. Okay, let's say this one will be here because we have this one is over here. Okay, there is nothing else on this side that needs to be pulled up, so that should be good for us. Then on the left side we have, okay, SDA, SCL, and B5. Okay, so let's take a look. SDA. Okay, SCL. I wonder if it's gonna work out if we can connect like that, so we can just like do quick routing. Okay, what do we have? vias over here. Holy shit. Okay, we'll have to kind of move those vias maybe somehow. Then there is an issue, like it might look okay on KiCAD, it might check all the DRC, but then when we upload it, it might not be that well. What is this actually? Okay, it's our... okay, I have it over here. All right. So I think I have to move all of that. So this is our limiting resistor, so it should be here. Okay, so let's take a look. Will we be able to route it? So first one will be this, that is our interrupt pull-up. Okay. So we can wire this like that, it should be okay. Then we have SDA, we can jump like here, SCL like here, and then we have B5. And B5 is somewhere here. Okay, so this setup is promising. Should work. But then there is the issue with those vias over here. How about if I move them a little bit, maybe to the left? Let's see how it's gonna... Okay, let's do the track as well. Okay, this one I don't really like how this one is organized. Something like this. Okay, our capacitor will be on top this time around. Maybe not ideal, but we can... I hope we can manage somehow. Okay, let's hide the bottom and let's see what we have over here. So, okay, I think I will try to route it. So let's start with this one. Then we have this one. Okay, wasn't that bad. And then we have this fella over here. Okay, should we go like this? Or should we go like this, close to this side? Not sure if it matters at all. Okay, so far so good, but let's say we need to do vias as well. I think it should be okay. I think we can fit in more vias over here. Question is, are we really gonna be needing them? Okay, so we have this one, B5. What is this? Oh yeah, right, because these were going all the way to the top. Okay, so this way we can't really do much about it right now. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, that having track on top of other track, that's a recipe for disaster, and that's what we are having right now. Okay, what about this B5 over here? If we jump back. Okay, maybe I should keep it. Because initially I was thinking maybe we should route it like from here. Okay, but then it doesn't make sense because we'll be locked here. Okay, so we still have to go through the bottom. Okay, so let's do it like this. Like this. Okay. LB5. Something is wrong here. Okay, because before I didn't have these. Okay, this might be a little bit tricky, I'm afraid. Yeah, I can fit in through here. Which one? This one's SCL. It looks like what seems to be the problem. I think it's got the wrong net. Oh, that is correct. Okay. It didn't update the name. Somehow it didn't update the name. Okay. For this one, so we are still stuck on the old name. Update, and there's nothing like that. Can I select the whole track? Okay, it changed everything. Okay, so that is fine. So we have to change one more. This is different net. Okay, makes me wonder, do we have this net somewhere like left? SCL, SDA. So now it should work, I hope. Yeah, but still we are kind of, okay, it's gonna be difficult because right now I will just cut this, so it will be difficult for me to connect all of these. I can't really use it like that. Okay, how can we do it? So from the top, yeah, we can't really access from here because we have like top and bottom already occupied. Well, maybe if we spread it a little, would that work? No, not really. I mean, it will give us a little bit maybe, but like still we have to connect these 5 volts here and 5 volts there. Well, I think it would be better. Yeah, it would be less complicated because I can't have all of these elements. I can't have those resistors. I mean, these are mostly resistors. I can't have all of them on top of each other. So on the front side and on the back side. Because then, like, whatever I will try to do, I will always cross some other track. Like, if I do it like this, then I'll be able to connect the VCC to all of them. And there's always something getting in the way. So I think what I will do, I will move these to the top. And this is even actually better because it would be just like one line of resistors and capacitor. So it would be very similar to what we have on the front side. Just that, like over here, we do it on top. I think it makes more sense. It will be better. But yeah, then if we take a look, okay, we still have some stuff here on top, but maybe it won't really interfere. Maybe it won't be that bad. Okay, let's try that. So I'm gonna go with tracks. Okay, let's remove all of those tracks. And these as well. Okay, let's do footprints only. So I'm gonna highlight all of these and I will move this stuff somewhere over here. I mean, it would be better to have it on top. I think this one will go maybe over here. We still have to rearrange all of that, but before we do, oh shit, I moved all of that. How did it happen? I was only aiming for the footprints from this side. Okay. Okay, maybe we can move this stuff. Okay, this one, I don't like the name. It's not really important. All right, now it's better. Okay, maybe we can move these maybe like over here. We'll have some more space. This one is from the top. Okay, footprint. something like this maybe, and then this one will follow. And then this one. Something like this, maybe. Let's do the tracks right now. Oh yeah, right. Let's swap places. So ground will go here. Okay, something like this. Okay, and this one. This should be easy. Okay, something like this. Makes me wonder if I can move this closer. Okay, a little bit better. Alright, so now I should have some space for all of this stuff. Okay, this one I think I will keep it a little bit outside. Where is it actually connecting to? Okay, these are... technically it should be on this side. Because pin 24, that is... okay, so maybe I won't. Maybe I will keep it here. Okay, let's move all of this stuff a little bit to the right. Okay, it's getting a little bit complicated. It would be much easier to have it on two different boards. Yeah, it was quite fast routing one board. I think it took us... we did it on the last stream, probably, like most of it. So it wasn't that bad. And now I have to do some crazy shit to be able to put all of the elements. Well, I think it's worth it. Alright, so this will change the spot. So SDA will be first. SCL will be here. Then B5, then we have our interrupt. Okay, this resistor What is it actually? Okay, that's the limiting one. Okay, it's gonna be a minefield to connect all of that. Okay, let's see what we can do right now. Let's do track. So this is our capacitor. So this should be easy. Then we have SDA. This should be easy as well. Then we have this one. Okay, so far so good. And then what else? We have B5 over here. Oh, like this. Okay, maybe I can move this one somewhat like this. Okay, but the question is, we might still, yeah, we will be needing vias over here. So probably, but we can fix it later once it comes to it. Okay, so far it's not that bad. I have some leftover track over here. I wonder if KiCAD can tell that there is a track that shouldn't be there. Okay, let's jump back to here and let's finish this one. So I think this one was supposed to be on the bottom. Okay, so these are done. Alrighty, so what next? What should we do next? So many things that I don't really know where to start. I think I'll have to copy. Okay, I would like footprint. Let's drop one here and one right here, and let's change the net. So the net for this one will be SDA, right. And for this one will be RSDA, SCL, right? It makes me wonder because it keeps, I can still see this, all the net over here, but it's not really present on the schematic anywhere. Left, 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 and right over here. And this is left, left, left as well. And this is right. And that is odd. All right. Okay, let's put these RP, SCL. Okay, this one will be right. Footprint only. All right. So I think we can try to connect some of the switches. So starting from here, okay, should we go? Okay, I think I will go a little bit different this way around. I think I will start with this one. Something like this. And then this one, because they go like one after another. Oh, that is odd. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, this should be more or less okay. I have this nasty ground over here. I wonder if I can, oops, okay, if I move it, okay, there is G. Oh, that is messed up. Okay, I need to move it a little bit further because it's kind of too close. Maybe like here. Okay, let's take a look what we have over here. Okay, should be a little bit better, a little bit more space. So now okay, I think I will go. What a pain in the ass. I mean, I don't like this bump over here. Oh, that is funny. I think now it should be enough. Oh, perfect. Okay, so we have A7 attached. So now A6 and A5. Okay, so far so good. And now we can drop A4. Oh, like this, maybe. Okay. Alright, over here it's gonna be a little bit difficult. Okay, these go around to the other side, and okay, B1, B2 is completely far away. So we're gonna have to figure out something about B1 and B2, but let's continue with the bank A. So we still have left this one. Maybe I will go like this. Let's see what happens. Maybe I will move it a little bit or something like this, so then the fill zone will have enough space. Although it might be a little bit difficult for it to... I think it can fill through here. Oh, we see. If there is an issue, we can fix it. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay, A3. Okay, A2, A1. Where is it? Okay, A2, A1. Also, it would be nice if we can go A2, A1, and A0. I think it would be nice if we could go like this. Something like that. Follow this line. And A1 as well. Something like this. And this one would be best if we just like cut through, maybe. But maybe it would be better to just go around. Okay, where are we now? Okay, but the issue is... Okay, so I think we will have to go like this. In this, if you want to do it as I said, something like this. Because we have A3, A2, A1 and A0, so all of them will have to go like from the top. Okay, so that is one. Then what we have next, A1. Okay, so I think I can move this wire to like this. That was a little bit unnecessary. Okay, A1, was it? No, yes, A1. So one more left. One more left. Okay, so take a look. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about right here. So we have a wire on top and wire on the bottom. So if I would like to go from here, I will be with, I mean, I can't cut through this side. So I would definitely need to go like a little bit higher up and then cut through here maybe. Okay, so we are on the bottom. Yeah, that was rather a bad idea. See, so now if I would like to cross, I will have to make two vias. I will have to go through the top to cut through here and then through the bottom as well. What a mess. Maybe I should change this one. Cut this. Okay, but then I don't really have option right now because I have these wires. I mean, it's not an issue to cross like that right now. Well, it looks like I have no choice. Can't really do much about it, I'm afraid. Yeah, so I have to drop one via over here. And then I have to go through the top. Just to drop one more via over here. So I can now go through the bottom. Oof. Okay, so we have bank A connected. It's looking a little bit ridiculous right now. So we have wires from here, from there, everywhere. And still we have bank B to connect and some other stuff as well. Yeah, it's getting crazy. My biggest concern is if it's even gonna work. Technically it should be fine, but I would be very unhappy if it turns out that something is wrong and the PCB doesn't work. Would have been faster to just hand wire everything. But if you have a working PCB, then it would be super fast to build a new Chordie. Okay, I think I will finish on this one. We've done the bank A. We have those pull-ups over here attached, even though I think we'll have to redo a little bit over here. I think we'll need some vias because we need to connect them to the top. But I think this time around, I think we can make a shortcut. We can just cut through something like this, make two wires over here. We have no stuff crossing. I mean, we can do with just one wire, we can go away. So it should be easy. At least it looks easy for now. Yeah, I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna see you all tomorrow. Yeah, Wednesday. Have a good rest. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment on YouTube if you're watching on YouTube. I would be very happy to read something. What have I done wrong? I'm pretty much sure someone might be not happy about this. I don't think it's a good practice. Well, anyways, it is what it is. Come back tomorrow. We'll be finishing routing and see how it goes. So for now, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye-bye. Thanks.